Hi, this is the HAFURY GT20 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to network and internet. Click to Wi-Fi switcher to activate Wi-Fi, and after that you'll see here all of the available networks. Just select one from the networks and here you should enter your password. To see this password you should click to show password checkbox, and after that click here to connect button. Wait a second and we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. In Save Networks List section you will see the list with all of the networks which you connect before. So you could just turn off also the Wi-Fi by use the switcher, and let's just open the control panel from which you could also connect to the Wi-Fi your device. So just click to this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and to launch Wi-Fi settings hold it for a while, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.